And
I'm going to go talk.
we're rolling.
Ready?
Hi, Dennis.
My name is Dennis from Paradigm Gardens. I'm the co-operator of the store. I'm here talking about Happy Leaf LEDs. Went into this conversation not thinking these were going to be the best lights. As a guy that's sold indoor lights for years, LEDs have never stood out to me. They've never been as productive as traditional lighting was. Victor saw me giving a presentation here at the Garden Expo about indoor lighting and liked my presentation, didn't like what I had to say about LEDs, asked me to take one of these lights home, and after playing with it for about a year and a half, I can absolutely say he's completely changed my opinion. Their 240 watt light was out yielding a 600 watt high pressure sodium all day long. The temperature off of it was incredible. The light spectrum off of them isn't nearly as offensive as some other LEDs that are out there. Bang for your dollar, amazing light, high production value for low wattage. Didn't think it could be true. It was. So go Happy Leaf, amazing company. You'll get what you pay for, and these guys produce a wonderful product.